Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Sharon Rodriguez from my Greek channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a journey din lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uubapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Gemini? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito na. Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin yan. Angel Spirit, please give me information pa. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? This is a Three of Wands. Waiting for us, not waiting for a ship. Now, may mga bagay o positive sa iyo ang ating mga Angel Spirit na unti-unti mo na makikita ang mga pagbabago, no? At may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa mga worries. And of course, kumbaga effect no ng iyong mga iniisip na para may paglaya na sa mga negative thoughts. This is something waiting for a ship or waiting for a soul, no? May mga bagay na hinihintay kang mangyari at maganap. Ito na nga hinihintay mo. Maaari magkaroon ka na ng travel, transactions, and this is something the Eight of Pentacles, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, mag-focus ka sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. And kasi sinasabi dito with the Four of Swords, so this is something in intuitions. So ibig sabihin kailangan mo ng pahinga, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Kumbaga palayain mo yung isip mo sa mga negatibo. There's a magician for manifestation. No? Marami mga papasok na ideas sa'yo na kailangan mong mas lalong i-enhance your abilities and skills and being creativities. No? This is something that Two of Wands by choices. No? Ikaw yung gagawa ng isang bagay na alam mo makakabuti sa'yo. Piliin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong magbibigay ng growth and expansion sa'yo. There's something two paths and two ways. No? Kailangan pag-iisipan mo yung mga bagay na alam mo magkakaroon ng growth and expansion. What is additional messages? And there's a sign of with our happiness, no? Magiging masaya ka daw dito at magiging maligaya with our families. And because there's something reunion, homecomings, and there's a family gathering, and there's something marriage, of course, and a long-term, no, relationship. This is the Three of Wands, represented with the Six of Wands for a victory is yours. So, may mga bagay na hinihintay mo na maaaring maging matagumpay ka na. No, hindi ito yung hinihintay mong panahon at pagkakataon na unti-unti mo na sisilayan ang unti-unting pagbangon, no? Kung wala namang instant pagdating sa success, no? Kailangan mo talaga pagdaanan, kailangan mo maghintay at kailangan mong magbursige at kailangan mong paghirapan. This is an Eight of Pentacles, represent what? Let's see guys. Represent with the Queen of Pentacles. So this is something good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur, no? Pagdating sa business as business, so kailangan mo mag-focus dyan. You are being mature enough, being grounded enough about sa finances. So let's see what is the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords represents the Three of Swords. So, natatakot ka, nagkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga ito guys ha, parang nagkakaroon ka dito ng parang comfort zone. No? Kailangan mo makawala sa comfort zone mo. Isa sa mga bagay na yan, kaya hindi ka nag-grow. Or either natatakot ka sumubok, natatakot ka gumawa ng isang bagay na alam mong, kumbaga magkakaroon ng disappointment, gano'n, takot ka ma-reject. Oh my goodness. So, let's see what is the Magician. Represent what? No, dapat marunong ka lumaban at marunong ka dapat sumubok sa mga bagay. Hindi ka dapat takot, no? And this is a Justice card, represented with the Magician. So, this is something manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na manifest, no? May mga unti-unti mo na maisa sa kataparan, unti-unti mo na matutupad ang mga bagay o kaganapan sa buhay mo. There's something of consequences sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo dahil, di ba? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo ay depende yan sa kung makakabuti o ba makakasama sa'yo. Kaya, kailangan mo pag-iisipan yung bawat action mo. Let's see what is the Two of Wands. Represent what? The Two of Wands represent with the Nine of Swords. So, choose wisely, no? Kung ayaw mo ma-depress, ayaw mo ma-stress, kailangan pag-isipan yung mga bagay na gagawin at kumbaga may isa sa katuparan mo. Ganon. So, there's something deep and happiness. Parang napakalungkot, napakahirap ng iniisip mo as of now. No, piliin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo magkakaroon ka ng something development and changes. Alisin mo yung toxic behavior mo, guys. So, this is a 10 of Cups. Represent with the Emperor, just being mature enough and being grounded. So, kailangan mo maging mature sa sarili mo, sa decision mo, at kumbaga alam mo dapat yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is the 3 of Wands and the 6 of Wands. Represent with the Queen of Swords, the King of Swords, sorry. There's something truth na malalaman mo lahat ng katotohanan dito, lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mo malaman, na dapat mo maunawaan. So, let's see what is the Eight of Pentacles and of course the Queen of Pentacles. So, this is the two of Covenant partnership. Some of you guys na may partnership about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo kung kumbaga itong bagay na to ifang di ba, pang matagalan ba? Kumbaga maging realistic ka, because maging logic ka. Even pagdating sa finances, maging realistic dapat tayo. So, let's see what is the 4 of Swords and the 3 of Swords. So, this is something, the World card. With the travel, now there's something success. Ito yung isang bagay na parang natatakot kang mag-ibang bansa, natatakot kang umalis. Kailangan mong ilaban, no? Kapag takot kang umalis, kung ayaw mo, baka ma-homesick ka, hindi ka mag-grow, no? Kumbaga, hanggang doon ka na sa isang situation na yon. Kaya kailangan mong labanan ng takot at pangamba mo. What is the Magician and the Justice? This is something the 8 of Wands. So, this is something a fast communication and fast movement. So, there's something a messages, phone call, travel, na maaaring kumbaga yung mga bagay na ginagagawin mo, maaaring malaki ang impact sa'yo. There's a justice na maaaring makuha mo yung hustisya. There's something legal matter. No? Parang may nakikita kong dito, about sa usapan, about sa, tawag dito, law, na mayroong law. Either this is something, a travel for, separations, no annulment, may nasense din ako ng ganan. What is the 2 of Wands and the 9 of Swords? Represent with the 6 of Cups. See, I told you so. Kumbaga may mga bagay na iniisip ka, no, na maaaring nangyari sa nakaraan, na maaaring ngayon bit-bit mo pa. Oh, there is something memories and reminiscence. What is the 10 of Cups? Because the Emperor, there's a 9 of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad talaga. Basta maging mature ka. No, ang kaligayahan, dapat hindi yan binabase sa mga sasabihin ng iba. Dapat ibabase mo yun dahil sa sarili mo. No, wag kang bumibase dahil sa mga chika, chismis, mga achuchuchu na mga tao sa paligid mo. Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. No, yung priorities mo. Diba, yung life purpose mo. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Page of Pentacles for investment. Invest wisely. Diba? Kumbaga, there is something investment, no, in other aspects, no, in all aspects, rather. No, may mga bagay dito na kailangan simulan mo, no, ng mas matibay at mas malakas na alam mong pang mahatagalan ng eksena. And this is the King of Wands, no? Kailangan buksan mo ang isip mo, no, sa mas maganda pang kahihinatnan, a bigger picture. Na mas kumbaga, ano ba yung eksena ko 10 years from now, 5 years from now, no? Kumbaga, may ganung eksena. Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung magiging ganap mo sa mga susunod na panahon. And this is the King of Cups for devoted sa 40 person. May taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa finances and career. So, this is something of 4 of Wands, something celebrations. So, some of you guys, no, meron dito celebration na magaganap pagdating sa finances, and the King of Wands, something ambitions, no? And the 9 of Wands, something slowly but surely, no? Unti-unti mo na makikita, no, yung mga possibilities, and there's something energetic and fearless, no? Kumbaga, mawawala na yung takot mo. Unti-unti nang, kumbaga, ini-embrace you something, an opportunity for your business or for your work. No, mas lalo mo ng no, kumbaga tinatanggap yung mga possibilities. So, let's see, one more card, please. And this is something that 6 of Wands, or something, transition, no? May mga bagay na unti-unti na magbabago sa situation. There's a back and forth then, no? Kumbaga, may mga pabago-bago isip dito, unti-unting, kumbaga, natatanggap mo na kung ano yung mga bagay opportunity para sa'yo. Gusto mong umalis, gusto mong kumbaga lumipat ng trabaho. There's a good opportunity for you. Kailangan mo lang maging mahinahon at huwag kang padalos-dalos. What is additional messages about sa love life? Sa love life mo, there's something that something to evaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan. May mga bagay na kailangan mo i-clear. This is something that Queen of Swords, the bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities. No? Pagdating sa love life mo, kumbaga alam mo na kung sino talagang para sa'yo. And this is something that's Chariot card with an action. There's a movement. No? Kumbaga, ayaw mo na ng parang happy-go-lucky. Gusto mo na for long term. Ganon. What is additional messages about sa health? Sa health mo, there's something the Ten of Swords with a sabotage, no? Umiwas ka sa mga bagay na alam mong bawal sa'yo. Huwag mong ipilit yung mga bagay na alam mong masama na nga sa kalusugan mo, nilalaban at pinipilit mo pa. And this is a strength card. Kailangan mo maging malakas, tapangan mo, at kailangan mong, kumbaga, kontrolin yung sarili mo, mag-focus ka, gano'n. So, let's see, what is a Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? Pagdating sa Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? Angel Spirit. So, this is something self-love. So, kailangan mo alagaan yung sarili mo, mahalin yung sarili mo, and there's something past, lack, no? Kumbaga, nakakulong ka sa nakaraan. Yun yung kailangan mong makawala, ha? Kumbaga, may mga disappointment and course mistakes tayo na nagagawa sa nakaraan na kailangan natin matuto, hindi para, di ba, para bumaon dun sa eksena na nakaraan. Kailangan mong mag-moving forward at tanggapin yung mga pagkakamali at kamalian. This is something a lack and doubt, no? Ito yung panghihinayang at pagsisisi or something na parang nagkakaroon ka ng pag-aalinlangan, no? Kailangan laban na laban, hindi pwedeng urong-sulong. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Let's see, there's a business venture. I told you so. Now, magkakaroon ka talaga dito ng career opportunities, business ideas, and there's something trust and follow your true self, no? Parang mas bibigyan ka na mas malinaw na kaisipan dito kung how to grow and develop your own life. And this is something vegetarian, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo na rin ng more on veggies. So, kumbaga kailangan mo ng kalakasan, no? Na nanggagaling sa mga gulay, no? There's something health and clarity, parang mag-detoxify yung mga toxin mo sa katawan. So, let's see what is synchronicities represent what? So, this is something fall, no? Unti-unti nang may yuhulog or ibibigay yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. This is something sister. Connected with the sister, no? May sister dito na maaaring related sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels represent what? For Romance Angels represent what? Represent with reconciliation. So, something coming back. No, coming back to me now. Kumbaga may mga bagay na babalik from the past. And this is something agreed. Kailangan mo maging matapang. No? At kailangan mong, kumbaga, palayain yung sarili mo that there's something no second chances. No? Kumbaga meron naman ditong may babalik. No? Mayroong babalikan at magiging marupok. Or some of you guys, no, parang palaban at matapang na. And there's something fear. Pero may other side din dito na maaring takot ka pa, no? Na magmahal ulit or lumaban ulit. So, let's see what is the Archangel Michael messages. And this is something Romance Angel are helping you. So, nandito ang ating mga gabay na ginagabayan ka with an Angel Spirit with the Archangel Michael for your love life. And this is something guarded and protected. See? For your protection at pinapangalagaan ka ng ating Angel Spirit. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, let your help friends you. Help you. Diba? Let your friends help you. And reconciliation, double clarification that there's something coming back. Diba? Our reconciliation is here. Talagang malaking factor dito ang pagbabalik, no? Mula sa nakaraan, no? Ang bangungot ng nakaraan ay maaaring bumalik or maaaring mayroon tayong nakaraan na unti-unting binabalik-balikan. So, let's see. And there's something wait, no? Marunong ka maghintay ng mga opportunities. Kasi may mga bagay na talagang para nakalaan yung maganap no? Hindi na natin yun mapipilit at hindi na natin yun makokontrol. And this is something water your garden. So, this is something rest. So, kailangan mo pahinga yung utak mo. Kailangan mo mag-refresh and mag-retreat, no? Kailangan mo mahalin at tanggapin yung sarili mo na, di ba? Self-love, self-care. And this is something the boy. May mga bagay na kailangan mong iwasan, tigilan. Di ba? What is the energy represent what? For the energy is the angel of balance. So, kumaga meron ditong gabay, no, ng ating mga angel spirit na magkakaroon ka na ng balance. Wow. No, binibigyan ka ng magkakataon maging balance. There's a judgment for a wake-up call. No? Parang you need to pay attention sa nangyayari sa'yo. There's something challenges na kinaharap mo, but you need to proceed. Kasi kailangan mo maging matapang. This is something imagination, no? Mas palawakin mo yung kaisipan mo, mas palawakin mo yung kakayanan mo para makapag-create ka ng mga good opportunities. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Monsology represents don't let your pride get in your way, no? kailangan mo nang kumawala at tanggalin yung mga pride na yan and ego. And this is something balance and spiritual and practicality. So, kailangan mo maging balance, guys. What is the chakra messages represent what? So, there's a despondence, no? May mga panahon na naguguluhan ka na parang irita ka, no? May ganong scenario, and there's a guilt. May taong may galit, or yung galit, kailangan mong pakawalan yon. So, let's see what is the nature of messages with an angel spirit. And there's an astral travel. There's something dream time soul travel. There's something travel here, and there's a support with the guidance, no? Kumbaga, may kakayanan ka makapag-travel with other places, no? With your spirit guides. With additional messages, spiritual teacher, kailangan mo talaga ng albularyo na tutulong sa'yo about that. Na mas lumalawak na ang kaisipan mo, or either magiging manggagamot ka. And there's something crystals. So, kailangan mo ng mga gemstones na mas makakatulong for healing energies, diba? What is Arcangel Raphael? Messages? And there's a caffeine free. Kailangan mo umiwas sa mga kape, ha? For the angel's answer, represent what? There's a yes, no? May binibigyan mensahe na there's a yes, no? And because this is something romance, no? Talagang malaking factor ang love life mo dito sa reading na to. No? May pag-ibig talaga na mamumutangi sa lahat. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quote said. I will not leave you comfortless, I will come to you. So, hindi ka pababayaan ng ating Panginoon na luhaan, or parang, diba, parang wala lang, no? Hindi ka niya iiwan sa ere, no? Bagkus binibigyan ka ng mensahe na kailangan mong makinig at marunong ka dapat tumanggap ng kung ano man yung mga bagay na hinahain sa'yo. What is the angel's number? Represent what? And there's something 220 for act on your ideas. See, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. And there's a realistic and practical approach. Talagang gamitin mo na mas matalino at mas magandang paraan. This is something divine timing na kailangan mong mag-pay attention, no? Sa sarili mo, with your discipline and respect, you have the benefit of good fortune. And if you use your wise judgment, you can do anything in this place. You can reach new heights. You should act on your potential when you see this pattern, since what your plan will grow, you're about to experience as a spectacular accent. So, see, talagang may bigla ang pagbabago. Etong idea na to na magdadala sa iyo ng opportunities para maging maasenso at para maging maunlad. Ganon. Ito yung, yung panahon at pagkakataon para mas palawakin mo yung imagination mo, no? Para makapag-create ka ng mga opportunities. And this is something 1818, no? With a willpower. Kaya mong gumawa ng eksena na ikaw yung mismo ang may akma at ikaw yung mismo ang may gawa. At sinasabi dito, wow, significance, event are on the cards for you. You will progress in your endeavor and gain new experiences that right and people, resources will put on your path. An excellent proposal or change is coming up. You're destined for your greatness. Talagang, diba? Nasa tadhana na at talagang itinadhana at tinakdana na maganap talaga, na matagpuan ang iyong kakayahan at kaalaman. Ganon. Kumbaga may something, an impact na parang a magnet na maaaring kakatakin para pagtagpuin ikaw at yung kapalaran na maaaring magbuo para sa mga mas malaki pang opportunities. Ganon. Ayun yung magdadala sa iyo ng something, excuse me, changes. Let's see what is the messages of life represent what. So, I told you, there's something growing, di ba? Dito na yung pag-growth, magkakaroon ka na something development on your own life. And today, I understand that I am here to learn, to discover and grow. When I nourish myself with my inner light, my inner divinity grows. When I study the message that life brings me, I am improved in the eyes of God. When I strike a balance between the material and spiritual world, I am freed of my inner conflict. In this way, I grow on my own souls. Diba? Kumaga ikaw yung gagawa ng isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo akalaing maisa sa katuparan mo. Dahil ikaw mismo ang magdadala sa mismong tagumpay at mismong pagwagayway ng iyong mga palad at kamay. So guys, this is Awakening Gabay for the month of January 14 hanggang January 20 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Next, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!